Alright, ladies and gentlemen, a new song that I've never performed. I don't think I have. I'm pretty sure I haven't. I could look it up. I'm sure you could look it up and see. I think this song I've never done before. I'm thinking. It's called Dangerous, originally from Cascada. Totally a good song. So if I have done it, I've probably done it only once, not too many times. So anyway, totally enjoy. Thank you for watching. Alright, here goes. Don't know anything about you, so close, just a touch away. Your love, it hits me like no other. They say I'm a true believer. I know everything's taking over now, but I don't know how. So I'm born to know the kiss away. Your break, I'm melting away. You're so dangerous. I want to play. Gotta know what's on your mind. I'll control, cause you want it all. You're so dangerous. What makes me say I'm blinded by your eyes? Dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. Thank you for watching. Alright. Bye for now. Bye.